Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Hey, wonders they say shall never end. This Biafra Liberation Army that we have been hearing or talking about, they finally hold a road safety. My people, things they happen. No, hey, wonders shall never end. Progress the analyst is here for you to give you all the update as it's happening. I will be bringing it, so I want you to listen carefully and watch this video to the end, but do well to share the video, like and subscribe if you haven't, because this platform you get all the updates, everything that is happening all over the globe. In fact, I personally carry the word. I'll carry and reach your doorstep so that you go pick up from there. Thank you so much, and I'll be right back.
You don't say to, you don't do. Mazi Janto don't land on the stage again. Gidibam, gidibam. This is AKA Igwe Obatobie 1. Na lock Igwe. Ejimo Bochitata. Go Friday, 22nd. Nimo September. Now for 2023. Well, we through knows your man. I don't come again. This matter is very simple. So now the Siam. We there now, live and direct. Make una dey hear my voice clearly. This is Biafra Revolution Army. Amen. Whether una like it or not, na AKA Commander Gento the Yahoo. Obuonya Mbwendola ato yoto. Nigeria, know and remember, all Eastern region, remember far back when you console. Now I don't come up. Una think say you go there like funa. You know go there like funa body. Una go de collect and woto. Una de see am. Una go de collect and woto. I don't come again. It's very simple. Very, very simple. I have given you my location. You see the road? We there Ishinweke to Omaya Road. Now that we there, life and direct. We know the hide. Understand? We know the hide. Understand that now. It's very, very simple. And I am still coming for that. Now, this is one of the personnel in the country, in this one. You are from Umbos, in Ihiala. Where do you work? You work for? With Federal Road. With Federal Road. Very wicked people. You know the Yaram? Where the word the Yaram?
Accident victims.
Confirm.
What got me out this morning. There was an accident around Omonia.
Back on the Yaram.
Call us, we went there, it is a big truck. There is no death.
Back on the Yaram.
And I came back. I said, okay, let me go and look for fibroid drugs for my sister. Because yesterday I called people. I said, this lockdown, coffee, 6 to 12, is holding everywhere. And for the past 3 days, I never go out. I said that Prime Minister Mazi has confirmed that it's only for government to shut down government offices. That every other business can go. I said, can people go out? They say yes. That was why I came out. So okay, let me go look for drugs this morning. When they stopped me, because I am a Biafra, I stopped. Anything he asked me to do, I said, I am so person. But this is my stand. I'm almost pulling out by December. I have applied for retirement, but because there is a process, they could not allow me to pull out the money. I have been in casino for 7 years frustrated because I'm an Igbo man. Watin is spending me.
Oh!
So,
Okay, spending you.
Seriously.
The thing is spending you.
Because Igbos are being marginalized. And one of the things that take me to the north is because I want a Igbo man in the office. When I say Biafra has come to stay, saying a lie that we are wasting our time, I said, lie. I didn't know he called people in Abuja. And they transferred me from Nicola to the north. I was being frustrated for good 7 years. To transfer was a problem. And I
Because of you, an Igbo man.
Because I'm an Igbo man. In the office.
Hold on. I just want to appreciate our people these days. and to give this message. This is a powerful message to Hope Uzodimma. And I am still coming back again today at my office. Hope Uzodimma, hear this clearly. You are just beating around the bush. Yes. All Eastern leaders, you should listen. It's very, very simple. Remember, when we were carrying flag on the streets, you people were destroying our lives, killing us and destroying our houses, killing our brothers anyhow, thinking that all those people that you have been killing, that they doesn't have people that can intervene for them. Yes. That they don't have people that can stand gidibang for them. Now we don't read. These days, I must remind for you people, I am the nigger, the guy, the commander that was standing at Ikoso's back. And now I have come out. These days, now una go here say, Biafran, no be small picking again. Biafran don't grow up. That's so. And let me tell you, all Eastern region, this is warning for you all. Biafran nation is unbeatable. Yes. And there is no way that you people can beat Biafrans. Yes. Here we are. Isiweketo, Omahia Road. Now there we there. Gidibam. Now let me warn you, Hope. Stop bunting houses in Mbano. To you. Those communities that you are manipulating your evil mind to, they did not even know that we entered that place. They don't even know when we entered that place. Hope, I must have warned you. Hope. Or Eastern region, I must have warned you people. This thing is very simple. Ask how will the problem stop. You know, Hope, you are the father of all this insecurity in Biafra land. All Eastern region is the father. They are the one that planted the unknown government in Eastern region. They are the one that pushes us into this movement. You people cannot deny it. Now I have called this young man. But I must tell you the truth. For you to know and to understand that we are not wicked to our brothers. Hear me out. I am Igwe Obatopia 1 in Okigwe. Baburu. Landelu. Land Ohia. Land Ozo. Land Miri. I will put on my own. I saw what a tower. Yamakwara Yama. Here about 3 o'clock. Elekranya in Kembe. Potata Friday, 22nd. What Lima on September 2023. I do Roma well with Mbali Lozia. Well, I got a call for Macanoji what I will Kelly. Keep as I come and I am Algeria once. Macano go get one. When you say I was a drink, also get a combine like also get a combine Loria. Also get a combine for. Also get a combine for. I learn about to learn. All life and the rest. You play the show. And let dear friends hear this. This is my word to all of you. We love our people. He is my brother. I don't know. He is my brother. And the reason why I am sparing him, because he did not carry arms. And he is ordinary road safety. That is why, and that is the reason why I am sparing him. Let me tell you, let me warn you people. In Biafra land, if you are not unknown government, if you are not ESN, you are not allowed to carry this. If you are a police in the zoological country, you are not allowed to carry this in Biafra land. If you are a military man, you are not allowed to carry this in Biafra land. Understand? It is only unknown government that is meant to carry this. Yeah. The owners of the land. Know themselves. No one. Apart from unknown government. Yes. Solution. Amen. No retreat. No surrender. We are fully out. We are on the road. We still on the stage. Copy. Nigeria. If you not find me, come, una go die. You say, una come. Una go die. All Igbos, where they in the military. All Igbos, where they in Air Force. All Igbos, where they in Navy. Police. Custom, police. and the simple defense. Better judge. Make una reason. Make I tell you now. Make I tell you now. Yeah? You see my master because of when I kill. I must revenge with the water. And I don't come out to revenge. You see all those innocent souls. We are Biafra revolution. Amen. Point of correction, you that are coming from zoological country. Point of correction, we are not we are only fighting for our freedom. Let the world hear our voice. We are fighting for our freedom. And without that freedom of Biafra, there will be no peace in this land. How many Biafra soldiers will not go finish them? There is no way that you that calls yourself Eastern governors and the senators, Eastern senators, that can fight insecurity in this land. Almost again, Namo. Jano Abuja, just the whole armor tanker. The whole fighter jet will pull everywhere. All bullets na jeje wo ogulo ofo. Maka na ogulo ofo ki dide jawa. Ogulo ofo ka jeje. Owo na nye jega alugwa so shinda sokwalie. Unu chere ani with nda so unu wetekwa anyi. Maka obo na nye jeba alugwa sa nye jeba la Yoruba. Si Yoruba kwalie, Awusa kwalie, unu chere anyi na woto. Na our brother. He died with una for long. If say we wicked, I for finish him.
You go but up here.
You
will live longer.
We will be back. We will be back home. Fight for our freedom. Also, we will not collect pardon couple from him. He don't need his money at all. But he got luck. So now, no safety. But make I tell you, make I warn you. Very soon, as the thing they enter body now, very soon, whether you be road safety or hence you be security in this land because you are logical country. You have a bookie man where they bend down the piece, where they use water, they wash nonsense. Go carry a little money from your own money, from what you have what did they get from your land. Then go carry some more inside, they can't give you. You go stand up, say you wise. Say you wise, you can't sell your brother. Say may they carry a more tanker, may they carry fighter jet, come finish your brother. If they finish your brother, who go be your brother? Can Hausa be your brother? No. Can Yoruba be your brother? No. Una say una the reason. Una say una the reason. Una say una something. We are only fighting for Biafra. And not Biafra all we know. The owners of the land
know themselves.
Biafran
mission.
Biafran
mission.
Biafran
mission.
Mission
Must be accomplished.
Mission must be accomplished. I am still coming back again. Today. Hope we have meeting. And I still have question to ask you.
Yes,
if you can be able to answer my question, then we follow things in amicably. For you to start moving around with armor tank and
fighter jet,
it can never solve the problem.
Yes.
If I talk to you, you don't want to listen. Any way you want it, you go up with it.
Go ahead.
We stand gidibam. Don't can nam de kwara. De kwara nam de Carlo. De kwara Simon Ekban. De kwara Igwe Butozo. Woke na la Biafra. De kwara Igwe Zuma the Rock. That mbade babu. Biafra all we need. Apart from Biafra.
No peace.